video be a me hu sisi apa ewiem pa we nye fomu ewiem video na enwanwa serious. I saw one of the strange videos on the planet. It's on the air. It's not on the earth. It's on the air, and the video is very strange. The way I captured the video is very strange. With the air, so I want you to, viewers, I want you to go and take a look and watch this video. Video na enwanwa. What I say? Until we the moment you go show video no. We are the me want na masaka to aso. Me go show video no.
No. Remember that was.
Hey, Charlie. Ewiomo pa da sisa sei. We abroche de nye news o ba Ghana ha de we I can say ye be ka se wi ase kra be sei. Hwe nsuo ka kilo mu hwe se na weather na ye. Ba Charlie, to be frank, we dey ase me hu bi achu. Hey. The way ase epo pe wo soro. Bowa. Wow. What a crowd. Hey. The crowd is so amazing. Wow. This is strange. The rain is about to fall and look at the crowd. How crowded it is. Hey, we are Ghana here, where your baby out. We're in Singapore. Yes, not a Singapore. Yes, not a China. Here is a Ghana. Look at the crowd. Wow, what is strange. Strange things always happen. The creation of God is so strange. The creation of God is so wonderful. Go. Become.
I said my no. My tenant the camera.
What a miracle. Hey, what a crowd. This is unbelievable. We've got all things are beautiful. We've got all things are strange. You can't understand God. Look at the crowd. This is blessing guy. Wow. What a crowd. I don't know how to describe. I don't even know how to describe. This is so strange. Wow.
That one to the put the tenor.
Charlie crowd with the Yezu.
I don't know what you're.
Charlie, say the missing who you mean. I don't know. Say we na na. I don't know. Say the missing who crowd on the me crash me. Hey, as a soro as a soro ba for mo. As a soro ba for. Serious. Charlie, that's any pastor to call sorry. Cause I miss you send I don't send a bobo bado. Me sure say we hear that they are no. That's any pastor to call sorry. Now you see, you confirm baby, you see a floor born square or whatever. Confirm we are pioneer petition keep up with the way. Just say or more and time no crowd. Cause our idea me who and the pan me crashing seriously, to be honest with you. Miracles are me who and them. They will be say a dear, but mommy and pass on me and some young. So what you see? Any yard also. when I'm one of the community and I'm who crowd no so the crowd no aye you ma we share crowd ni say ah na me say hey how dey we asin e ba be say na chale mo me kwa sorry you that's it any jeni ya do so chale serious who say sana
I no cry.
look like the end time is coming. I don't know. You see, look like the end time is coming. So you have to make what them go to church and worship God.
Diakano. Muntie.
Seriously, tell me who crowd be who crowd on that say. We man show.
Crowd me yam shame my Yankopon body.
And you
You ba appreciate it.
But say kwa sorry.
Appreciate ya. Mpese me say you be hwe na e dey account for Yankopon.
But say kwa sorry.
Asori dey obeko.
Because as we are saying ya be.
So accept ukonum koko first.
So viewers, this is Blessing Guy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. See you next time. But let's go to church because strange things always happen at this end time. Bye for now. Yeah.
Nice. And say,
More than
some wabo to me.